Hi, I am Sheikh Mahbub Basha. Welcome to my channel. Happy learning. What is presbyopia? How it is corrected? By the end of this video, we will be able to answer these questions. First of all, let us quickly recollect the basics related to healthy eye. Let us quickly understand few important parts of human eye and their functioning. This is an eyeball. This is its eye lens, a convex, and retina, optic nerve, the optic nerve is connected to brain. There is an object in front of the eye. The rays coming from the object are converged onto the retina and a signal is passed from retina to brain and brain reads the picture. Our brain reads what the retina receives. If a clear image is formed on the retina, then the vision will be clear. Now let us understand presbyopia. Let us examine few ray diagrams. Example 1. This is an eye and there is an object. The rays coming from the object passing through the eye lens are converged to a point before retina and the picture read by the brain is blurred. The eye is unable to get a clear image on its retina when the objects are placed at longer distances. Example 2. This is an eye and there is an object nearer to the eye. Rays coming from the object are passing through the eye lens and they are converged to a point behind the retina and the image read by the brain is blurred. The eye is unable to get a clear image on its retina when the objects are placed at shorter distances. The inability of an eye to get a clear image on its retina when the objects are placed at longer distances and also when the objects are placed at shorter distances but is able to get clear image on its retina when the objects are placed at intermediate distances is called presbyopia. It is due to loss of efficiency of ciliary muscles to adjust the focal length of the eye lens. What can we do to correct presbyopia? Let us understand with few ray diagrams. Example 1. This is an eye and there is an object at longer distances. The rays coming from the object are converged to a point before retina and the image is blurred. If a concave lens is introduced as spectacles in front of the eye, then the rays passing through the concave lens are first diverged and then converged by this eye lens, and hence rays are meeting exactly on the retina, giving a clear image on the retina which is read by the brain. Example 2. Here is an object at a shorter distance. The rays coming from the eye after passing through the eye lens are converged to a point behind the retina and the image read by the brain is blurred. Whereas if a convex lens is introduced in front of the eye as spectacles, then the rays coming from the object are first converged by the external lens and then again converged by the eye lens, and finally clear image is formed on the retina and the image read by the brain is clear. So we need to use a concave lens and also a convex lens to correct presbyopia. Let us make a mixed lens using concave and convex lenses. Making a mixed lens. This is a biconcave lens and this one is a biconvex lens. Cut it into halves. Take half from concave and half from convex and fix these two pieces as shown here. Half concave plus half convex gives a mixed lens. When a mixed lens is introduced as spectacles in front of the eye, the rays coming from the object at longer distances are passed through the concave part of the mixed lens and they are finally converged to retina, giving a clear image on the retina. Whereas the rays coming from an object at shorter distances are passed through the convex part of this mixed lens and they are converged to retina. A clear image is formed on the retina and the clear image is read by the brain. Thus, presbyopia is corrected. Recapitulation. Point 1. Our brain reads what the retina receives. Point 2. If a clear image is formed on the retina, then the vision will be clear. Point 3. If a clear image is formed before or behind the retina, then the image on retina will be blurred and the vision will be blurred. Point 4. If an eye is unable to see clearly the objects placed at shorter distances and the objects placed at longer distances and is able to see clearly only the objects at intermediate distances, then the defect is called presbyopia. Point 5. We need to select a mixed lens, biconvex lens plus biconcave lens to correct presbyopia. Point 6. When a suitable mixed lens is used as spectacles, then the presbyopia is corrected.